go shoot some birds. Yeah, everything's upside down. Blurry. Go shoot some birds. That's high. Birds. Wait and see what we do. You see, to get and just sit here, wait. Are you really making a video?
Yes.
I see a bird. I see a bird.
Where? Where? Where?
I see him. You don't see him?
I don't know, just shoot him.
I hit him. He over there.
Oh, I see him. Oh, I do see him.
Here, you can shoot him.
Hold this. He's like, I see him. He's on the other side. Get it closer. Oh. Come on, man. Hurry up. He's on the leaf. My eyes are watery. I can't hold this forever.
Yeah, man, you missed. Here, no, man, I'll show you how to hit him. You gotta pull the thing back, dummy. Yeah, you almost scare him away.
Okay.
Yep, he almost gone. And he gone. He gone, little man. We can go back there and shoot him off the street if you want to. I see him. He on that. You hit him. Give me. You killed him. He's on that cardboard. I see him. On this cardboard. Well, man, you hit him. He hurt. I'm almost dead. Yeah, he's dead. I just killed him.
Let's go over there and get him.
No, he's on that cardboard. He jumped over that cardboard.
But you just said he's dead.
I don't know. I shot him in the head. He in them bushes over there. I knocked the hell out of him while I shot him.
Guys, we do not know if we killed the chipmunk. I saw him go up the tree, but I don't know where he went.
So let's go.
I see a bird nest up there, but I don't think he's in there. There's a bird nest up there.
Yeah, come on. Okay, guys, we just gonna find some other. He'll come back. He'll come back, guys. Don't worry. We're gonna kill something. By the end of this video,